How to uninstall Riot Client from your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can uninstall the Riot Client from your Windows 11 PC. So to uninstall Riot Client from your PC, you will need to follow the simple steps. First, go to the search bar and search for Riot Client. Now here you can see this is the Riot Client. So in order to uninstall this, simply right click onto this and click onto the uninstall button. Now from here, if you can't find it here, you can again type in the Riot Client like this. Now click onto these three dots and then click onto the uninstall button. It says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click onto this uninstall button again and it might ask you for the permission. You're gonna click onto the yes option and then just wait for the uninstallation process to finish. Once done, you can see a message like this which says that the game has been successfully uninstalled. Click onto the done option and you are all set. Your Riot client has been successfully uninstalled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.